Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you have been here before. Today I'm going to bring you just a really small haul of my favorite press-on nails. If you've been here for any length of time, you might know that my favorite ones are from Red Aspen. But this is just small haul. Not a lot in here at all. I'm rhyming too much. Anyway, the first set that I got in this haul are these little lightning bolt ones. These are the medium square length and shape. They all have lightning bolts on them. Some of them are just the outlines and some of them are the filled in with the white ones. And then I also got a replenishment of my favorite lash adhesive. I've gone through several tubes of that. It lasts a really long time. My lashes, I don't ever have an issue with them popping off no matter what lashes I use. And then they got a new color of the pedicure dashes for summer. Hello, focus, thank you. These are magnetic blue. Please bear with me on the focusing. I got a new phone, and so we are just dealing with that. These were a free nail for my anniversary month. They do a free nail for your birthday month and for your anniversary month of being a rep for Red Aspen. Even if you just buy things yourself and you're not selling to other people, which is usually what I'm doing, I'm just buying the nails myself because I like them, you can still earn product credit and commission on your own sales. And you don't have to carry inventory. This is not a sign up for Red Aspen situation. I'm just letting you know you can get free stuff just by buying nails for yourself. Those were Catherine and the Ballet Slipper, by the way. Those are a short, square, shiny. These are Winnie's and White Sands. I wanted to try these because I thought they would be good for the wedding, just something simple and neutral. So we'll see if I end up liking those. I'll try them out beforehand and we'll see what I think. And then this is the last one. I told you it's not a very big one. These are Bluebell. They have really pretty little blue flowers on them. Reminds me of like toile or something, or chinoiserie. Please don't come for me for saying that wrong. They're just really pretty. These are short, square, shiny. So that's all I got this time. I know it was a really simple video. If you want to know how I apply fake nails or remove fake nails, this works for any fake nail, not just Red Aspen. So if you have been struggling with that or wanted to know how to do it, I have a couple videos. I will link those in the description box down below. I will also leave a sign-up link, or not a sign-up link, I will leave a link to order if you did want to place an order. Just know that if you do use my link and I am your representative at the top, I will earn a commission for that. And if you do shop through my link, I appreciate it more than you know. I've been using these for 3 years now, going on 3 years or something. So yeah, I like them a lot. I still use other nails, but I always use the Red Aspen glue no matter what brand of fake nail that I use. So I just love press-on nails. They're great. They don't chip or pop off. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.